Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want us to analyze this market XAU USD, USD Swiss franc and AUD CAD. So this is a USD Swiss franc on a daily time frame. It's showing us some bearish momentum. As you can see, we have break of structure multiple times, and this market, it seems like it has reached where the supply zone is. So I have to take a Fibonacci retracement and measure where the market started the last breakout. So this is the place. As you can see, it has reached 61%. So let us mark that supply zone. It has been retested, as you can see. So this is our supply zone area. We are waiting the reaction onto that place. So this is a trend line downside, because last week the market has been trading up. Okay, so this is a breaker block area where the market broke this level and later retested it. So you can call it a supply zone or a breaker block. Okay, so this is our daily high and this is our daily low. Let us zoom into 4 time frames and see. Okay, so we have to mark the touches on this trend line. That's touch 3, touch 4. The market moved to the upside. As you can see here downside, we have an order block that has been not mitigated, and we have a fair value gap where it has not been retested also or filled. So after knowing that, we have to remove that breaker block because it has already been mitigated, and we are waiting the reaction above the 4-hour high and the 4-hour low. So we are waiting the market if it's going up or down. So when it breaks to downside, we go bearish, and upside we go bullish. Okay, so this is our 1 hour time frame. As you can see, this market has been moving upside. So I'm anticipating to take a sell position because it must come to the daily low, whereby you can see the reaction on the top. The reaction on the top on the level of a supply zone, it has been rejecting that level multiple times. So that's it. So as you can see, even on the 4-hour time frame, the last 4-hour candlestick was bearish. That's the analysis of USD Swiss franc. So we have to move to AUD CAD also. So AUD CAD is simple to analyze because it has a resistance upside. You can see the market has touched that level twice, and a support level where the market has been touching that place multiple times, more than 2 times. And as you can see last week and on a daily chart, we have multiple touches on a resistance level, whereby we have a daily high, the market has been rejecting that place, and a daily low where the market has been supporting on that daily low. So we have to name it daily resistance and a daily support. So let us go to 4 time frames. So you have to spot where the market has been touching the exterior and the interior touches, whereby we have exterior resistance and exterior support. So those are the touches. These are the internal touches, resistance and the support. So this market has been reaching this level and changing the move. Okay, so we have to mark 4-hour high and 4-hour low, to know where the market is moving. Okay, so after marking that, we have to move to a lower time frames, which is 1 hour time frame. Okay, so let's go back to 4-hour time frame and mark the previous 4-hour candlestick high and the previous 4-hour candlestick low. Okay, so after knowing that and after marking that level, we have to zoom into 1 hour time frame and see the reaction on that place, because we normally take positions when the market breaks 4-hour high or 4-hour low. Okay, that's my anticipation. I'm only looking to sell this market if it breaks that 4-hour, the previous 4-hour low candlesticks, yeah, if it will give me the opportunity, because we still have 1 hour order block here, and if it breaks the bearish channel upside, we go bullish. As you can see, that's a bearish channel. Yeah, so that's double top. Okay, so I'm anticipating when it comes to downside, you have an order block, also another order block which has a gap, and it's also a daily support, so it can come to retest that level before bouncing up. This is a CAD currency pair. Okay, today is on Sunday and the market is going to be open on Monday, so we have to wait our entry at this level. As you can see, it's clearly showing that the market is rejecting upside. So let us analyze XAUSD. I'll have to delete or erase all these instruments that I have been using and analyze afresh. So this is our monthly chart. This is our monthly candlestick high and a monthly candlestick low. As you can see, the market has been not moving that much. It's showing us some rejection even on a weekly chart. But on our monthly and on our weekly, the candlestick, it has been bullish candlestick. So we have a bearish trend line. And on our daily time frame, you can see that this market has been moving upside, but it reached to a point whereby the gold is getting supported. So this is our monthly low support. First touch, second touch, and third touch, and the fourth touch. That's why I'm calling it a support. And we have a support and a resistance on our daily high, our monthly high. So this is the first resistance, second support, and the third support. Okay, and the fourth resistance and the fifth resistance. So after knowing that, we have to mark our daily high and daily low. So this is our daily high and the daily low. Let me name it. So I have to change it and use a green one. So this is our daily low, this is our daily high. Okay, let's move to 4-hour time frame. Before we go there, this is our break of structure. Okay, so on our 4-hour time frame, we have a break of structure and support and resistance on our daily chart. As you can see, when you come to 4-hour time frame, you can see that this market has not been moving that far. It has been touching up and down. So we have a 4-hour order block which has not been mitigated. The price came and filled the fair value gap and didn't go anywhere. So this is our 4-hour high and 4-hour low. So after knowing that, this is, let me name it, previous 4-hour high and previous 4-hour low. Okay, so let us draw this channel. This is a bearish channel where the market has been trending inside it and later it broke to the upside. Bearish channel. So the market, it broke to the upside and later came and retested that area and gave us a bearish black cross. I mean bullish white soldiers, as you can see, and a W pattern there on a fair value gap. So I'm anticipating this market either to drop down or to spike up. As you can see, this is our previous 4-hour high and previous 4-hour low. So I'm waiting the market to break either up or lower, and we continue to the support or to the resistance level. Either it can sweep the liquidity to the order block and then go up. So here, when you look at on our left, we have break of structure, multiple ones. This is a second break of structure and a third break of structure. So on the top, on our daily high, we have a neckline, because before the market dropped, it gave us a neckline there and gave us a supply zone. This was our supply zone, which has not been mitigated. And before it dropped, we had also a point of interest below that neckline. Okay, so that